All right, guys, back here again, looking at standard L, our last standard to wrap up Unit 5.
You all right?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, are you okay?
Right, I'm good.
Mr. Krager's upset he's not going to see me for a little while, so he's got to get all of his jabs in here today. So remember, we want to start off by getting our base and our exponent by themselves. So I've identified my base, which is my waiter, and then his little tray of food would be that 3x minus 2. I want to get rid of all the things around it. So to start off, I want to get rid of that plus 3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. I still got that negative 7 times 4 to the 3x minus 2 equals negative 28. My base and my waiter, not by themselves yet. Here they are, still hanging out. Got to get rid of that negative 7. There's a multiplication sign in between the two of them. So that means that I should be dividing to undo that. Divide both sides by negative 7. And I'm going to bounce on here because my writing is huge on here. And we get 4 to the 3x minus 2 is equal to negative 28 divided by negative 7 is positive 4. If you don't know that, please use your calculators. From here, we've got our base with our exponent isolated. We want to change it to a log. And if you forget what that looks like, Mr. Krager posted a cheat sheet on Schoology that would be able to help you guide through that. So I'm going to start with my log. The base of my exponent is 4. That's going to be the base of my log. My answer over here is 4 equals 3x minus 2. Unfortunately, my x isn't by itself yet, so I need to add 2 to both sides.
You're kind of running out of room there.
I see. My writing wasn't made for this, apparently. So jumping up here, log base 4 of 4 plus 2 equals 3x. This is an x, even though it doesn't look like it. Oops, 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 oops. Go away, go away. Okay, still got that 3x. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Okay, so then my x is by itself. Here for my exact answer, I'm going to change my color here one more time. It should be log base 4 of 4 plus 2 divided by 3 equals x. That's our exact answer. It's not rounded at all. Now, luckily, I know that log base 4 of 4, you have to put that in your calculator. It's 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So my approximate answer is just going to be x equals 1, which is a nice, pretty whole number. All right. Bouncing over to Mr. Krager here. Whoops. Sorry, Mr. Krager.
All right, guys. So we want to get, again, our waiter and a tray of food by itself. So that would be our e to the x minus 1. So first thing is we want to multiply both sides by 6. Let me change the color here. There we go. Multiply both sides by 6. Remember that crosses out the 6. So we have 3 to the e to the x minus 1 is equal to 1 times 6 is 6. Again, we want to get the e by itself, so divide both sides by 3. And that gives us e to the x minus 1 is equal to 2. All right, now you have your base and then your exponent. So your waiter with the tray of food by itself. Now remember, you can use log still, or you can, remember e, the base is natural log. So
I got you. I'm doing it over here if you don't want to.
Miss Craddock is doing it for me on her computer.
You got to rewrite it as a log.
Yeah, so let's go and write it. Let's go ahead and write it as a log. So log base e, remember log base answer, our answer is 2, is equal to our exponent. So we want to solve for x.
Hang on, guys. Mr. Krager's made a mistake. I know we're shocked to know here. He wrote this as x plus 1 when the exponent is in fact x minus 1.
Sorry, guys. You can't see me, but
still the same old Mr. Krager.
All right. So now There's a glare on the iPad. That's
And when you're older, it's harder to see.
Here we go. Here we go. So we want to get x by itself. We're going to add 1 to both sides. So our exact answer is x equals log base e of 2 plus 1. Oh! We ran out of room. Hold on.
You hit the keyboard down thing. Oh.
Oh, hold on, guys. Technical difficulties.
We're all learning.
Where'd we go? There we go.
There we go.
There we go. Plus, Miss Craddock, I'm running out of room.
I see that.
Did it again. Hold on, guys. There we go.
Can we get rid of this?
Yeah, how do we get
There
there?
we go.
So let me write it down here. X equals log, I'm going to base e of 2 plus 1. So that's our exact answer. And then, so I'm just going to write exact. For our approximate, Ms. Craddock did it for us.
1.693.
X equals 1.693, and that is your approximate. So I'll just abbreviate that. Or I'll just spell it for you. Approximate. There we go.